And welcome back, you fabulous math masters of Virtual Room 502. It says draw and label tape diagrams to model each decomposition, where we decompose the number one, or a fraction. So let's go ahead and say we have one. Okay, we have one whole. So let's make this a one whole. Okay, this is going to represent one. They never give us enough room to do these. And what do we break this into? We broke it into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, I'm going to take out my crayon. You can take a crayon or a pencil, whatever you want. We have 1 6 plus 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 1 6. Okay, so it looks like we have 1 6 right here, 1 out of 6, plus 1 6 plus, whoops, didn't make my little bracket, plus 1 6 plus, I'll make the bracket first, another 1 6 plus another 1 6 and 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 another 1 6 6 6. All right, so what do we get? We get 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So we get 6 6. And when the numerator and the denominator are the same, baby, they equal 1. Okay? And that's how we do it. Let's break this one apart as 4/5, okay? And if you need a pause to catch up, that's totally cool. Don't get the catch up, just try to catch up. And we're going to break this one into 5 parts, okay? Because it's 4/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But now we're taking a look at what did we add? We had 1/5 plus 2/5 plus 1/5. So here's 1/5 plus 2/5 plus 1/5. Okay? So we can think about it like 1/5, right? Plus 2/5. Sometimes I like to use different colors for each grouping, but that gets kind of confusing. 2/5 plus another 1/5. And we get 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4, and that equals 4/5. Okay? We're going to do these two problems here. We're going to do this one problem. We're still going to diagram this one, but we're just going to go ahead and dive into this one. Fun, okay? So let's take a look at 7/8, one of my favorite. Ooh, it's a fraction time. Yes, it is, Princess Yvonne. You didn't tell me we were doing fractions. Well, I know how excited you get when you hear about fractions. I love it, the fractions. Well, maybe you want to do a little review for us. Love to. Okay, what's the number or the digit on top of that fraction bar? It's called numerator. Okay. What about the one on the bottom? Is called denominator. Okay, let's do it really fast. Numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. Well, thank you very much, Princess Yvonne. I'm so glad that you love fractions because I know that you'll be around to help a lot. I will. I love the fractions. Okay, well, we love you too. Oh, you're so sweet. Bye for now. Goodbye, Princess Yvonne. See you next time. All right, so our fraction is 7/8, so we need to make a tape, not an ape diagram. And we're going to break it up into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is going to represent one whole. Let's go ahead and color in the 7/8, okay, just to show what 7/8 looks like. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, and 7/8. But what parts do we break them down into? We broke them down to 3/8 plus 3/8 plus 1/8. So I'm going to do 3/8 here, plus 3/8 here, plus 1/8 here. And then we just add them up. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and we get 7/8. All right, here's where you're going to kind of fly on your own. Don't make the tape diagram. What I want you to do is just add those numerators, keep the denominator the same, okay, and see what you get. Well, you already get the problem. Okay, welcome back. So you saw it was 11/8 equals 7/8 plus 1/8 plus 3/8. So all you had to do was you could have mirrored the answer here, but we go 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11, and we get 11/8. I'd like to do another one where you do on your own, because that one was kind of a gimme. We had the answer there. Let's do 3 ninths, no, yeah, 3/5 plus 1/5 plus 2/5. Go ahead and pause the recording and do that one on your own. And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, damas and caballeros. What did you get? Remember, denominator doesn't change. The denominator remains the same. Stays 5. Then we just add the numerators. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And we get 6/5. Is this greater than 1? You bet it is. You bet it is. Because the denominator is larger than the numerator. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's math lesson. Come on back to the third grade class. If I'm still teaching the third graders, you can get a little review. If the third graders on MobiMax, hop on MobiMax. Unless you're one of the Matterhorn bobsleds, then you'll be with my group. So I hope those instructions were understood. When you finish these videos, go to the third grade our classroom. If you are, what was that? If I'm teaching the third graders, join me. I'm not going to be teaching the third graders. If you're one of the Matterhorn bobsleds, join me. If you're not a Matterhorn bobsled, go to MobiMax Math. All right. Couldn't be any clearer, could it? It could be.